Bamĩrĩ cia andũ atatũ arĩa matharĩkĩirwo na kũragwo nĩ andũ marehoka nĩ maabitha borithi mwena wa Ishiara Embu na angĩ makagurario rĩu marenda kĩhoto kĩa endwa ao. Atongoria matiganĩte hamwe na Lewa Mũthende hamwe nĩ ikundi cia kũhũranĩra ihoto cia bũrũri-inĩ nĩmakumithĩtie ngero ĩno.
I still feel it was unnecessary and uncalled for. No one should lose their life while demanding for quality healthcare services. No one should be shot at, especially live bullets. So we are asking the police to carry out a thorough investigation because I have eyewitness accounts. There are some witnesses here. The brother to one of the deceased is also here. And like I said, one of the victims was very close to me and my team. And I want to dispel any notions out there because I've had people blaming me, people blaming other leaders. And I want to say, let us not use this as a campaign tool.
Kemune na Vocal Africa Hussein Khalid arenda maabitha arĩa marathire andũ acio maikio ngoro na bamĩrĩ cia arĩa maragĩire ngurario matithirio nĩ thirikari kwamũkĩra urigiti
za wale waathiriwa ambao walipigwa risasi. Wawili tunavyofahamu wamepoteza maisha yao na hiyo miili hivi sasa iko katika Embu General Hospital. Watatu wamepigwa risasi lakini hawakufariki. Wawili wa hao wako hospitali bado na mmoja tayari ameondoka. Kulingana na habari tulizozipata ni kwamba yule alifyatua risasi ni askari ambaye anajulikana. Na tuko na eyewitnesses ambao waliona tukio lote likifanyika. Kwa hivyo kama shirika la kutetea haki tunasema kwamba haraka iwezekanavyo tunataka huyo afisa ashikwe ili uchunguzi uweze kufanywa kikamilifu.
Komando wa borithi irathĩro rĩa bũrũri augĩte honge cia IPOA na DCI nĩciorereire macira macio gwetha kĩhoto na ũma.
So I will not want to take much of the time. I want to just say that the issue is actively under investigation. We have romped in all investigative agencies, the DCI, the IPOA, and the Internal Affairs Unit. More than that, the DCI have also sent in a special squad from the homicide section of the investigation to pursue this matter to logical conclusion.
Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Kamande.